Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is find the clock app on your Samsung phone. It normally comes pre-installed. In case it's not, then you can watch my video, which I'll link down below, on how to install the clock app on your Samsung phone. So go to the app screen and look for the clock. Here we are, and launch it. Now, on the clock app, you have several options. You have the wall clock, stopwatch, timer, and more importantly, we have alarm. Now, these are alarms I'd set previously, which I've turned off. Now, to set a new alarm, you want to tap on the plus icon. Okay, so just tap on that plus icon. And then the first thing you want to do is choose the time. So let's say I want to just set an alarm for 6:30 in the morning. So this is 6. And then for the minutes, we go to 6:30. And then I can choose the specific days I want the alarm. Okay, so let's say I want it on weekdays. So I can just go ahead and select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this alarm is set for every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If I want to add Saturday, I could, but I prefer to just leave it like that. And then you might want to name your alarm. Okay, so I'll call mine Hustle. Okay, let's go back there. I'll call mine Hustle. Okay, and then I'll come here and choose the alarm sound. I can choose from ringtones. There's a collection of ringtones that I can choose from. I can choose a song from Spotify. I can also choose a Bixby alarm, which will read out the current time and weather forecast over music as the alarm rings. Okay, in case I don't want the sound of the alarm, I can just turn it off like that. But I can, if I want it on, I can turn it on. And then I can also adjust the alarm volume, so I can make it louder or lower. And then hit the back button. And then you can choose whether you want vibrations on your alarm or not. If you don't want your alarm to vibrate, you can turn it off from here or turn it on from there, depending on what you want. And then you have the snooze button, which you can choose the intervals between when you snooze. So 5 minutes is the current. So when you hit the snooze button, when the alarm goes off, it's gonna wait for 5 minutes before it starts ringing again. You can change that to 10, 15, 30, or even set your own custom time. Now I'll just leave mine at 5 minutes, and then I'll choose how many times I want it to repeat. You can repeat you can snooze a maximum of 3 times, 5 times, or you can even snooze forever, depending on what you want. So once you've set everything up the way you want, all you have to do now is tap on the save button. And here's the alarm we just created. You can see it's called Hustle. It has a name there. And you can turn it off or back on anytime you want. You can tap on it to edit a few things anytime you want. But that's basically how to set an alarm on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.